In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to pay your Mediacom bill online. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser, then navigate to the website Mediacom. Once there, look for the pay bill or make a payment option on the homepage. If you already have an account, you can simply sign in and head over to billing section where you will see your current balance and payment options. From there, select your payment method, which can include a credit card, debit card, or bank account. Enter your details and confirm your payment. Now, if you don't want to sign in, Mediacom also allows you to make a one-time payment without logging in. Just click on the Pay Without Signing In or One-Time Payment option. Then enter your account number or phone number linked to your account. Choose your payment method and complete the payment in just a few simple steps. Another option is pay through your phone using their automated system. You can call 1-888-569-1768, follow the voice instructions, enter your account details, choose your payment method, and confirm the payment within minutes. So, overall, whether you choose to pay online with or without signing in, or even by phone, Mediacom gives you multiple convenient ways to keep your account up to date. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.